Good morning guys, and welcome to another video. I'm out on the local lake, and we've got the rig. We're just out front of the gate at the moment. I'm just pretty much getting the boat ready to get on the water. But today we're going to do a one rod and reel challenge, and today it's going to be the Daiwa Airdx rod and reel. And we're just going to get on the lake. It's had a great amount of water. From what I hear, it's dirtied up a lot. It's one day off a full moon. Not the ideal conditions for me. I don't really like to fish too close to the full moon, but hey, when you get to go fishing, you just got to go fishing and enjoy it. It's supposed to get a bit windy at the moment. The lake looks pretty glassed out. It's got a little bit of a ripple, which I think will help with the morning bite if we can get one. Let's get out on the lake and get this one rod and reel challenge a good hit. Let's go. The rod today is the Airdx, and it is a 7'2" medium heavy fast. So medium heavy, so we can cast anywhere from 7 grams to 25 grams on this rod. So you're looking at 1/4 ounce to sort of that ounce, just over that ounce mark. So the plan is to throw, you know, some half ounce plastics, some spoons, some chatterbaits around that 1/2 ounce, 3/8 weight. We may need to go a little bit lighter if we find them in the weed, but that's the reason for the heavy or the medium heavy rod, just for castability with a large range of baits that we're possibly going to throw today. So we've got the Aird LT 2000 reel today on the Airdx rod. One rod, one reel. Let's go. Oh, there's another one. Yes, another one. Oh yeah, he feels all right. Oh, staying down. Oh yeah, he's staying down. Tell you what, this rod loads up quite nice. It's a great entry level outfit, this one. Just thought I'd just showcase some of the little entry level type of gear. Like, you don't need to spend $1,000 on a combo just to go bass fishing. If you want something nice, there's that much stuff out there now. It's a nice little bass. That would scrape legal just, being 30. But yeah, like I said, you don't need to spend a fortune on an outfit when the technology these days on the cheaper rods is insane, considering what it was like 20 years ago when I first started bass fishing. Oh, there's a fish on the wind. Boat flip this one. There we go. Oh, another little one. I'm not putting my fingers near that. All right. Give him a nice release. There we go. Not a bad little start to the morning. Let's get it back out there again. Nice cast. I don't need to cast to the other side of the dam. You know, a nice long cast, medium cast is enough for what we're doing here. We're up against a submerged weed bed. The fish are out off it. There's a bit of a flat through here. And it's been good. Oh, that's a fish straight away. I must have just landed that straight on the top of him. Here's a little one. Oh, he's just grown a little bit. I'll tell you what, I'm liking this little outfit. It's got plenty of tip. Medium heavy. You might have freaked out when I said medium heavy at the beginning of the video, but it's got plenty of tip. It's not like it's a broomstick or anything. Nice little one. Just put him back. What a morning. Absolutely beautiful. Just that nice little bit of ripple on the water. Just what I like. As much as it looks amazing with it being glassed out, for me in the morning, I like that little bit of ripple on the water. Just that sneaky little bit of a ripple. It's fine for me. I get a better morning bite when there's that bit of a ripple. unless I'm top water fishing, then I want it glassed out. I want to be able to see every bit of movement on that water. Oh, oh. Whew. Got excited. I was thinking about top water fishing. Got a bit excited there. Whew. Get the glasses on. Oh yeah, it's a little bit better. Oh, there's a bite. Oh, there's a fish. Oh yeah, that's a bit better. This one's actually pulled a little bit of drag there. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, it's not a massive fish. It started out good. But yeah, it's got a nice bend to the rod. I like it. Oh, there you go. Always that last run before the boat. And we're gonna boat flip him. Hey, that's a little bit better than the last ones. Yet again, I'm not gonna put my finger in there. There's just too much hooks going on there. So we'll unpick him and we'll show you guys. Another nice fish there. Just legal, I reckon that would be. Let's get him back out there. Nice long cast again. Boom. Just love putting my finger on that line as it hits the water. Just controls your line, hey. I find I do that a lot with the spin outfit, is stopping that line just as it hits the water, just to straighten your line up along the top of the water. I just find you watch people and they're casting around trees and, oh, that was a bite. Yeah, they're casting around trees and they let that line just keep peeling off the reel after it's landed and just find the wind or the line just slacks on and always catches snags. So just from, oh, there's a fish. Oh, that's better. Yeah, just from in the early days of starting with it, it was something that I sort of just picked up, just straightening that line. Something very simple. For me now, it's muscle memory. It's all about muscle memory, catching bass. I love it. This one seems to be a lot better than the last one. Let's hope it's a good one. Come on. Come on. Always those lunges near the boat. He's not too bad. Is he net worthy? Oh, no, we'll boat flip him. Oh, only just. Only just. He's had a swipe at that. I've got him under the gills here. There we go. Another nice one. It's probably about 35 centimeters. And a guess. There we go. Thanks, buddy. Tell you what, a hot little morning. Quite enjoying this. The water's a lot dirtier than it was last time I was here, but like I said earlier, it's had a fair bit of rain in here. This dam has been sitting quite high for a while now, and I definitely think that that contributes to the consistency of this lake and how it's been fishing well, even with all the rises and the rain that we've had. Oh, there's a fish. Oh yes. I think that helps. And there's a great weed on the banks as well. So whether these fish, when it dirties up or the water, you know, get a good influx of water, whether those fish just bury themselves in the weed just to get out of that dirty water and chill out. Oh, this is a good fish. This is actually, unless he's fouled, I'm gonna say this is a good fish, but feels like he's got some weight to him. Oh. Tell you what, this Everfoam reel knob on this reel is nice. I like it. It's nice and comfortable, it's soft, it's great. Oh, he's got some head thumps, this guy. He's gonna take a run. Oh, oh. Oh, he's an edible. That's an edible fish, that one. Oh yes, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. Woohoo! That's awesome. All right. Let's see how big this one is. I'll just get it out of the net and I'll show you guys. But let's have a look at that weapon. That is a great quality fish. I'm just gonna quickly grab the little brag mat out and we're just gonna see how long this actually is. So just bear with me for a second. We'll just put him in the net for a second. We've got our little young Daiwa, or Daiwa Young Fishing Club brag mat there. We're gonna wet him. Always wet your brag mats just to help with the fish. Alrighty, got my phone camera here. I'm gonna take a photo and I'll put the picture up for you guys so you can see how big it is. And I'm gonna call that, was that 45, 46, 47 forker, 49 total length. That there is what I come out to this lake for. Great size fish like that. Now let's put him back. Alrighty. Thanks, mate. Thank you very much. Whew, yes, pumped about that on the Airdx outfit. How cool. So there's a few fish, clumps of fish out here. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, he came up a fair bit of a water column to hit that. But there again, constant wind. Not as big as the last one, but, oh, there you go. Listen to that. That drag sounds all right. It's smooth. Yeah, nice. Boom, just like that. Thanks, bud. Well, here we go. Thank you. Bit of grass on that. Another cast out there. Boom. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on an outfit to come out and enjoy yourself on the lake. Airdx, Aird LT. Get in the shops, check it out. If you're looking for an all-round rod for bass fishing, if you don't want to break the bank and you're looking at a new rod and reel, head to your local tackle store and have a look at the Daiwa Aird range. This is the Airdx rod and this is the Aird LT reel. Get in there, you won't be disappointed. Just gonna do a bit of a dragging technique with the chatter, just to see if they want this retrieve. Definitely feel a vibration through the rod quite well. It's got a nice little bend on it. It's a perfect little all-round rod, this. Right, we've just changed locations. We gave them that spot this morning a fair bit of a punish there, and we got some good fish, which is great. So we just changed locations, and we're just going to spot hop around a little bit to see if we can find any more fish. And have a good day. Yep. Oh! Oh! Just got blown away. Absolutely blown away. Blown away. Alrighty, I'm changing leader. We're going to the trees. I need to up it from 12 and I'm going to 20. No mucking around, let's do it. Yep, got one. Yep. Nice. Come on. Oh, feel timber down there. Oh, yep, come on. Yeah, nice. Yes. Nice. We done it. We done it. Yes, we done it. What we wanted to do. Look at that one. Lipless crankbait in the trees on the Airdx combo. Medium heavy, getting the job done. Now that come out of some pretty heavy timber. That's awesome. Thanks, buddy. Let's see if we can get a few more. Oh, yep, another one. Oh, yep, oh. Oh. Yeah, how good? How good's that? Yes. Awesome. Another little one. Thanks, buddy. Well, there you go. It's doing the trick. Oh, yep. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, what is going on there? Oh dear, I just sped up the retrieve, hey. It just got crunched. Oh, that is a big fish. 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 Just seen how big that thing is. Oh, 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 yes! Absolute cracker. Wow. Oh, wow. That is a great fish. Oh, have a look at that fella. Hey, just still got him pinned. He's only hit it. Show the back camera. Better sun. Have a look at that. That's awesome. That's right up there. That's high 40s. I'm gonna get him back in the water real quick. Oh, thank you very much, buddy. Alrighty, what a great way to finish the video. We put the Airdx rod and the Aird LT reel through the paces today on open flats, weed beds, and now in the timber. Two quality size fish on these rods. These rods are great, entry level, perfect for the weekend angler. Get onto them, get into your tackle store, check them out. For the bang for buck, mate, these are great. Do yourself a favor, check them out when you're in the tackle store. Thanks for watching, guys, appreciate it. Write some comments, ask some questions or any experiences. If you've got some of this gear, your experiences on it. But what a way to finish. Thanks, guys, I'll see you next time.